right now demand is not the problem. Supply is the challenge. Supply is the key constraint. And so from our standpoint, we're looking to return to the levels of production we had before the pandemic began, and then in many cases actually increase from those rates because demand is stronger.
You've got a very strong uptick in the defense side of the house, but also the commercial market recovery post-pandemic really has hit its stride full bore, and we're almost back to the peak